Hi, everybody, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the latest analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And today we would be looking at Illuvium versus the USD dollars. We would be giving you an update on Illuvium from our last video. And as you can see, one of the things we loved about Illuvium was it was obeying, as you can see, all right, our key levels, right? As you can see, every single time we pushed, right, we pushed into a resistance zone, right? We pushed into another resistance zone. And even when we dumped exactly even to our support zone, as you can see, right? So we have been obeying our key levels, right? Which makes us easy or makes it easy to chart the price even of Illuvium. And we were saying that we were expecting one last shakeout for the price of Illuvium. For the price, we were expecting a push to the upside, a push right down even to the $51, which would be a huge fake out, and then we would see one last dump, right? So we were expecting suddenly a push, a sideways push, probably even get to the $51, right? And then one last fake out right down to the $40 before we see a huge pump even to the upside in the medium to long term. So that's what we're expecting even for the price of Illuvium. One last fake out to the downside before we see a huge bounce even to the all-time highs for Illuvium, and that was what we're expecting. And as you can see, our indicators was confirming that. As you can see right down here, as you can see, our altcoin doctors indicator, every single time we flipped to the green, we were bullish, and every time we switched to the red, we were bearish. And as you can see, we were bearish right down here. We flipped green, we were bullish, came back to be bearish right down here. And you can see since then, we have been pushing even to the downside. Also, as you can see, since when we flipped bearish right down on the 6th of March, we have been bearish on the price of Illuvium and has been pushing even to the downside ever since, right? And that's what we're expecting. One more fake out even to the downside, right? For we to complete the accumulation before we see a huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term, right? Also, if we look at our momentum indicators, as you can see, we are steadily pushing to the downside, following exactly our analysis. We said we could see a one last push even to the $50 to $52 level before we see one last fake out even to the downside. So as you can see, we are steadily pushing even to the downside on the momentum or our stochastic, and then we could see one last push even to the downside. So we are expecting, right, a push even to this $52 level, and then we could see one last push even to the downside to fake a lot of people out, and then we would see the mother of all bull runs, right? This is what we're expecting on the chart even for Illuvium, right? A last count, and we could see one last fake out before we could see a huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term. So that's what we're expecting on Illuvium. If you like the channel and you love the analysis, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.